Why become a clinical laboratory scientist? Workplace flexibility. Whether you're in acute care, post-acute care, clinics, labs, and more, you can find your opportunity being a clinical laboratory scientist in the healthcare space. Plus, this is behind-the-scene work environment, meaning you get to support healthcare, but without having a workload of patient care. And you'll find this being a cross between science, technology, and healthcare. Plus, you get to use testing samples of the human body. This is a quick entry into the workforce, into the healthcare workforce. With as little as 2 years, growing and demanding career. Day-to-day responsibilities, performing complex tests, analyzing patient samples, evaluating and validating testing results, troubleshooting issues, ensuring accuracy. Plus, you're going to be supervising laboratory staff and managing all quality assurance. Pat, talk to me. What's the pay, fam? What does it pay? Well, you're going to find yourself in a range from $50,000 upwards of $90,000 a year, fam. So one of the things you're going to be doing is getting paid. Time requirements to achieving this. Generally speaking, you're going to need that 4-year bachelor's degree in medical technology or related field. This is a great time to go ahead and hit that like, subscribe. More importantly, share this if it resonates with you or someone that you may know. Some of the pitfalls to watch out for: fast-paced environment with time-sensitive testing. Keeping up with evolving technology and methodologies is crucial. Promotional pathway: laboratory manager, research scientist, or a pathology assistant. You heard me right, pathology assistant. Let me go ahead and tap the surface of each one of those. What does a research scientist do? Well, they make bank. Up to $137,000 a year. Research scientists, they're going to conduct laboratory-based experiments, trials, work in many different fields, including medicine, political science, computer science, environmental science. They plan and conduct experiments that become the topic of research and report. You usually need a degree in science subject to become a research scientist. Most research scientists continue to study for a postgraduate qualification like a PhD. All right, doc, I see you. Or you can study an integrated postgraduate master's course. That's an option as well, fam. What does a pathology assistant do? They also get paid upwards of $110,000 a year. Pathologist assistants provide services under the supervision of a licensed clinical physician who practices anatomic pathology, which is the visual and microscopic examination of human organs and tissues. Examples of these services: preparing large tissue sections so they can be analyzed for diseases. There's only one route, fam, to becoming a pathology assistant. You must, and you heard me right, you must attend a graduate program from an NAACLS accredited program and pass the ASCP certification exam. In order to take the certification exam, you must have a bachelor's degree and must have completed an accredited pathologist assistant program within 5-year period. To remain certified, you also must continue your education every 3 years. So my final verse, your lab anthem: becoming a clinical laboratory scientist, it isn't just about equations and beakers. It's about being a hero in the healthcare saga. So if you're ready to unravel medical mysteries, spin science into gold, and rock the lab with your brilliance, the lab door is wide open. Step in, embrace the adventure, show the world what it means to be lab royalty. Until next time, fam.